Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made these crab stuffed shrimp, and we're gonna head right on in. And the first thing I'll be doing is showing you guys how I cut the shrimp to butterfly it. So I am just cutting down gently just to be sure that I don't cut all the way through. So please be gentle in this process. And when doing this, you do want to flip it over and check to see if it will lay flat as you will like it to. And you see right here, it does lay flat. And once I have butterflied all my shrimp, I'm going to start to season them. And I'm using some olive oil, a mix of seasoning, which is Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and some black pepper. I'm just going to mix it together, make sure it is well incorporated. Then I'm going to cover this up with some plastic wrap, place it to a side, and then we're going to be starting on our crab meat. And for seasoning that crab meat, we have the rest of that blend of seasoning. And it can be an island flavor if we don't add some pepper sauce. This is Baron's pepper sauce. Here I have some breadcrumbs. I have some chopped fresh seasoning, followed by some mayo and some honey Dijon mustard. I'll be using the juice of half of a lemon, and I'll also be using 1 egg. Let's get right into seasoning. First, I went in with the 1 egg, and now I'm going to be mixing the mayo and that honey Dijon mustard. Now, this gives it that extra flavor with the honey Dijon. Now, you can use just the regular Dijon mustard. It is up to you, but I do find that the taste is enhanced when I use the honey Dijon. And I just went in with the rest of that seasoning, followed by the fresh herbs, the pepper sauce, and I'll also be squeezing that lime juice in there. Now we're just going to mix everything up. And now we're going to go in with that W sauce. I cannot pronounce it. I keep messing it up. So you guys know what it is. Followed by my breadcrumbs. Now don't go too heavy on the breadcrumbs. And we're going to mix everything together again. And next we're going to go into assembling. And so we're going to start by just placing the pieces of shrimp and have them butterflied into the pan. Now I'm going to place all of them into the pan first before we go ahead with the filling of the crab meat. And now I'm going to start with the crab meat, and I'll just be taking a spoon and take about a tablespoon of that filling, and then I'm just going to roll it into the shape of a ball and just fit it between the tail and the underside of the shrimp. So here I am just assembling the crab meat, shaping it into a ball. It does not have to be perfect. And we're going to lift that tail and place it right in the middle and rest the tail back on it. Now, like I said, it does not have to be perfect. And this is how it is looking, guys, once I have completed placing all the crab meats in there. Doesn't it look beautiful? And it's not even cooked as yet. So my oven has been preheated. It is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to put these in for about 15 minutes, and I'll show you how it looks. And this is how it is looking, guys. So I have some melted butter here with some parsley, and I'm just going to brush that lightly on top of the crab stuffed shrimp. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I do look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.